Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something called the Pi network and how to actually mine cryptocurrency on your phone. Now, this is a pre-release, and we're going to kind of tell you what a pre-release is afterwards, but let's find out how you can do it first.
Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain.
Battery drain, that's a good
Have
thing.
a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution.
All right, join the revolution. All right, let's talk about a little bit what Pi is and what is the Pi network. Pi network is a social coin that can be mined on a smartphone. It's launched in 2019. The project is called the Core Team. They're not up and running yet. You cannot buy Pi. Okay, so as of right now, there is no value to Pi. So this is called a pre-release. So we're in pre-release mode. So we're going to go back over to Pi. We're going to look at how Pi works. Okay, and what's the benefit of it? All right, so what it does is it uses your cell phone, and behind the scenes it actually completes some tasks and witnesses other transactions going on. It doesn't use any energy. You saw that. It doesn't delete any energy. So I'm going to go back down to the very bottom because I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible but get to the point. All right, so this is the roadmap of what they've done, and we're already starting almost trying to launch the mainnet. So that is a really important thing, but we're still in pre-release mode. And what does that mean? That you cannot buy Pi at the moment. It has a white paper, and that means for initial coin offerings, they have to have a white paper before they come out. So this is a very rare opportunity. You can only mine Pi if a pioneer gives you the link. I'm going to do so right down below. So please check below, click the button, and you will be invited. Now, once you do so, all you have to do is get 10 people, 5 to 10 people into your network to start getting a lot more Pi per day. You're still going to earn right away. So all you're going to do is you're going to download the app. You're going to click on Mine Pi. It just goes from your internet. And then I just like push the up button or the down from the very bottom up, and it sends it to the background. And so I never see it during the day. It just tells me, and I have a notice like when I need to actually do it. So I just push a button. You push 2 buttons a day and you start to earn cryptocurrency. This could be very huge. Okay. So I don't know what the actual price is. I've seen some predictions that range from what 3%, okay, 3 cents, to these coin predictions right here that say 16% in initial launch, $1 a year later, and $5 in 5 years. Well, I've already mined 2,000 coins at this point. So I would love to see something like this. And I think it's much more possible that we're going to get like this bull scenario than we're going to get this 2% scenario. Okay, as always, if you have any kind of comments, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.